In the world of programming, operators are like special symbols that perform specific operations on values and variables. Think of them as mathematical symbols like plus, minus, and multiply that tell the computer what to do. These operators are fundamental building blocks of JavaScript, allowing us to perform calculations, make decisions, and manipulate data effectively. Imagine you're building a simple calculator. Operators are what empower you to add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers. Without operators, programming would be like trying to write a story without using any verbs. Impossible. From simple arithmetic to complex logical evaluations, operators form the backbone of how we interact with data in our code. In essence, mastering JavaScript operators is crucial for anyone who wants to write meaningful and dynamic programs. As we delve into the different types of operators, remember that practice is key. The more you experiment and apply these concepts, the more intuitive they will become. So, let's roll up our sleeves and explore the fascinating world of JavaScript operators. Arithmetic operators in JavaScript are your go-to tools for performing basic mathematical calculations. Just like you learned in elementary school, these operators let you add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers effortlessly. Let's break down each operator and see how they work in action. Addition, represented by the plus sign, adds two values together. For example, 5 plus 2 would result in 7. You can use this to calculate the sum of two variables or combine numbers to get a total. Subtraction, represented by the minus sign, subtracts one value from another. 10 minus 5 would give you 5. This is useful for finding differences or decrementing values. Need to multiply two values? The multiplication operator, represented by the asterisk, is here to help. 3 times 4 results in 12. This operator is essential for calculating areas, volumes, and many other mathematical operations. The division operator, represented by the /, divides one value by another. For instance, 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Use this operator to split values, calculate ratios, or determine how many times one number goes into another. The modulus operator might seem a bit unusual at first, but it's quite handy. It gives you the remainder after a division. For example, 10 modulus 3 would result in 1, because 3 goes into 10 3 times with a remainder of 1. In JavaScript, assignment operators play a vital role in assigning values to variables. The most common assignment operator is the equal sign, which assigns the value on the right to the variable on the left. For instance, let age equal 25 assigns the value 25 to the variable age. However, JavaScript provides several shorthand assignment operators that combine arithmetic and assignment in one go. These shortcuts not only save you typing time, but also make your code more concise and readable. The addition assignment operator adds the value on the right to the variable on the left and assigns the result back to the variable. For example, x plus equals 5 is equivalent to x equals x plus 5. Similar to addition assignment, the subtraction assignment operator subtracts the value on the right from the variable on the left and assigns the result back. Y minus equals 3 is the same as y equals y minus 3. The multiplication assignment operator multiplies the variable on the left by the value on the right and assigns the result back. Z times equals 2 is shorthand for z equals z times 2. The division assignment operator divides the variable on the left by the value on the right and assigns the result back. W divided by equals 4 is equivalent to W equals W divided by 4. The modulus assignment operator performs the modulus operation and assigns the remainder back to the variable. A modulus equals 3 is the same as A equals A modulus 3. Comparison operators in JavaScript allow you to compare values and determine their relationship. These operators return a Boolean value, true or false. The equal to operator checks if two values are equal, regardless of type. For example, 5 equals 5 returns true due to type coercion. The strict equality operator checks for both value and type equality. 5 strictly equals 5 returns false because the types differ. The not equal to operator checks if two values are not equal. 10 not equals 5 returns true. The greater than operator checks if the value on the left is greater. 7 greater than 3 returns true. The less than operator checks if the value on the left is less. 2 less than 8 returns true.